Good morning all, this is Amanda Ford. I want to do a quick screencast on how to do a macro in Excel. A few people have been asking me recently and it's a very easy way to make your life much better. So you'll see here I have pulled up a spreadsheet. So for example, if it's a report that you run out of Advanced or AP on a regular basis and have to format to a team member in a certain way, this is an easy way of making it quick and simple. So here we have my spreadsheet. If we go up here to view and then macros, you'll have your options. You can either view the macros that you currently have, which right now I don't have any, or I can record one. So it's worth noting with the macro that the second that you start recording, it will record every single thing that you do until you stop. So make sure you know everything that you need to do and in the order that it needs to happen before you start. That way you won't have to redo it a few times, which I have done in my life. So we're ready, we have our spreadsheet all set. I'm going to go up here and press record. So I'll put a name and make sure it doesn't have a space in it because it will not like that. We want to make sure that it is stored in the personal MacBook workbook. So change that one up and then press OK. And you'll see down here that we have the little record button going, so that's showing that it's recording. So we'll go ahead and make our changes. So we'll move these ones, make this one green, why not, and make these yellow. So that is the ugliest spreadsheet ever, but it'll show you what we need. So once I'm done, I go down here and press either the stop button, or I can go up to macro and do stop recording, whichever you're more comfortable with. So you'll see now that it says down here, no macros are currently recording, so you know that you've stopped. So I'm going to close out of this spreadsheet just to make sure that it's worked. I don't need to save because it's just the spreadsheet itself. And then I can go back up here and open it up again. So it looks like how it did in the beginning. So if we go back to macros, do view macros this time, and here's the one that I just made. So if I do run on this one, it'll just do all the formatting that we just did a second ago. So whether that's changing the font, changing the size of the columns, putting in headers and footers, setting print sizes, anything that Excel will do in formatting, this will help you with. So if you want to save that one, so you have your formatted report all set, and close out. So this one is really important. When you've finished recording your macro, close out of Excel, and it'll pop up with this little thing. Make sure you press save. This is what will save your macro. If you press don't save, you'll have to start again and do the same thing over and over again. So once you press save, it'll all be set, and you'll have some easy formatting. Do make sure every single thing that you do is saved. So if you click on cell C2 will come up every single time. So my suggestion would be, if you do cell formatting, so if you do outlines of any of your cells, because your reports will be different each time, I would wait to do that until after the macro is finished running. So don't keep that as a part in the macro, just for ease of use basically. So once we press save and we close out, we're all ready. Good luck.